Off the eastern coast of Mumbai, at Sion lies of open land, the Somaya ground, a location ideal for this international summit. This was the largest Islamic conference of its kind in the history of Islamic world, with a spacious venue of over 35 acres. Audiences attending in hundreds of thousands to witness the 10-day conference and exhibition, and professional recording for television of the event from the first to the last day. The best selected English-speaking Islamic scholars and orators of international stature came together on one platform. The tone of the conference was set with brief inaugural speeches by Abdur Rahim Green, UK, Yasir Fazaga, USA, Salim Al-Amri, UAE, Asim Al-Hakim, Saudi Arabia, Yusuf Estes, USA, Yasir Qadri, USA, Hussein Yi, Malaysia, Fariq Naik, India, Dr. Jamal Badawi, Canada, and Dr. Zakir Naik, India. Dr. Zakir Naik, the illustrious and world-renowned scholar on Islam and comparative religion, has long been committed to the noble purpose of spreading the word of Islam. His style of oratory bears an uncanny resemblance to his mentor and the person who has influenced him most in making dawah his passion for life, Sheikh Ahmad Didat. The much-awaited speech by Dr. Zakir Naik on Is the Quran God's Word?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ludovic Bonilla. I am French.
My name is Sarah. I graduated in America. Jesus is spiritually the Son of God.
Mr. Naik, this is myself, Dr. Suryakant Pawar from St. John Hospital.
Chastity. I'm an American student studying culture and theology.
The needs of children were also taken care of, and there was a special play area with games arranged for their recreation. Hundreds of thousands of people thronged the open-air ground for the Jummah Khutbah and Salah, led by Sheikh Saud Ash-Shuraim, eminent Imam of Masjid Al-Haram, Makkah Al-Mukarramah. For the grand finale, the last speech by Dr. Zakir Naik, covering every space on the ground, this sea of humanity of hundreds of thousands of people jostled in the vast Somaya grounds to listen to Dr. Zakir Naik.
Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu वरसूलुहु। माशाअल्लाह, आप मुसलमान हो चुके हैं।
मेरा नाम संतोष सिंह है। मैं इस्लाम कबूल करना चाहता हूँ।
मेरा नाम ईशा है। मैं हिंदू बैकग्राउंड से हूँ। मुझे मुसलमान बनना है।
यहाँ पे 5 बहनें हैं जिनको शहादा लेना है।
अशहदु अल्लाह इलाहा इल्लल्लाह व अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदन अब्दुहु व रसूलुहु।